Okay, so I have not ran the Artisan in like 3 days. Reason being is because I wanted to see what the maintenance would be like to do so. So I don't know if my inks have ink in them. We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna fill these up. If you give me a second, I'll set up and show you how I fill everything up. Alright guys, so I'm going to one second. I am moving my headset out of the way so we get no ink. Okay, so I'm gonna just shake it side by side. Alright, so I haven't ran this for 3 days. Wish me luck here. The XP's maintenance tank is full, both of them. Like I said, I was going to be sad if I didn't hurry up and actually purchase one, but hey, I procrastinated on it. I can't find a tank, a maintenance tank, so as you see, kind of gets gummy. So you want to make sure that that doesn't happen into your print head. Though, for 3 days, I have not printed and I'm not mad so far. Whoops. Now these have chips on them, so you don't want to get the chip wet with ink. I got these at Dtfsuperstore, like 30 bucks. But shoot, they work really well, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna put a little more. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the colors real quick. Give me a second. I'm gonna do every color, and the reason I'm doing them singly is so the print head doesn't catch air and dry out instead of taking them all out at once. Guys, I've done a bunch of printing with just one bottle of ink so far. Obviously, the white, you go through the white more, so I suggest purchasing extra white. Alright, this is the procedure for all DTF machines. You have to do the maintenance. Every morning you have to come in, fill the carts, run a maintenance tank clean. Hold on. What is going on? Alright. Black looks like it's almost full. Guys, I cleaned the tip, I put the top, And I run it back in here. Again, I have not ran this machine for 3 days, only because I wanted to see what happens. Of course, you know me. I'm always testing inks to make sure. I'm also going to clean the continuous ink system and retry again with Dtfsuperstore inks, because again, they are thinner than DTG Pros. So I recommend you try those. Right. Now guys, with the XP, mind you, I was printing on the XP and on the sublimation version. So that's why my tank filled a lot faster. You want to roll your inks. I have not been doing that, but I did fill the XP yesterday. So you know the XP is going to be sitting a few days, almost a week, without printing. So we're going to see what the maintenance process would be. Would be with that. Alright, and one more, and we're done. This could be done quicker if you have the inks next to the printer and you don't have to walk back and forth. However, my setup in here isn't 100% idiot proof, but I will get it there. Alright, once I do this, I'm going to go over to the printer, install, and prime. I'm just going to do a prime and print just to see if that works or if I have to run a cleaning. Alright. I don't know how this ink got on the outside of the bottle. Okay, so now that I am finished, alright, let's go over here. Alright, I've placed all carts in the bay. We're gonna let it charge. Once it charges, we'll run a nozzle check. Let me tell you, the print heads on this is outstanding. Or the maintenance tank. I've literally cleaned 1,000 times. No issue. Alright, we're going to run a nozzle check. I already have my maintenances setting here. Sorry, a head cleaning was not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna do a nozzle check. Sorry guys, it hasn't finished priming. Oh, it did just now? Nope, not yet. It's still going. Now guys, the upside to the Artisan. You can reset the waste counters online. You can purchase these little carts that are easy to plug in. Now the speed is a little slower, if I'm not mistaken, on the Artisan. So there are some ups and downs to the XP. Both of my maintenance tanks are gone on these, so I'm freaking screwed. That's okay. Printer hoarding has done it for me. Alright, we're gonna see. Alright, so all lines are there. The white one has like a few broken lines. Hold on. Maybe that's too bright. Or, what is it called? Yellow has a couple broken lines. But the white is good. Oh, nope, the white has a couple broken lines. Every other color seems to be good. So we're going to do one clean. One clean. Clean. Then I'm going to stick the paper back in and print again. Alright, we're going to do one clean. I'll stick the paper back in. Alright. I'll come back in about 4 minutes. Alright. Print pattern. Oh, I didn't hit start. Alright, perfect. All of them are there. No breaks in the line. One cleaning. And it worked. I have let this sit now for 3 days. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Acrorip10 and import my design. Alright, we're gonna mirror it over to our settings down at the layout. You want to choose the size of the paper, which I have. You'll want to choose what printer, and we're gonna switch this to the Stylus 1390 and 1400. We are going to find the Artisan 1430. You want the resolution to be 1440 and the color 1440-720. Printer, layout, printer, color. It should be yellow, black, white, magenta, cyan. We're going to do 100% on all of these. I guess I could have just done it from the top one, but whatever. Okay, 100%. And that's it. We're gonna hit print. you want to make sure both of these have a number 1 on them. So if these two are ticked, you want to untick it. And then make sure that print color first and white and color are ticked. There's a 1 here, a 1 here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, the paper. Shit. Alright, we'll be back.